Yo, halo guys, kembali lagi di channel gua Pras. Ya, gua hari ini mau bikin video FreeFire dulu ya, karena banyak juga yang request gua bikin video apa ya ini namanya. Gua nyebutnya moonlight silhouette ya. Entahlah apa namanya, pokoknya gua nyebutnya moonlight silhouette. Jadi gua juga mau kasih tahu caranya biar bisa menghapus background di lobby ya guys. Oke, langsung saja ke tutorialnya. Cekidot.
You could think that I'm a freak when I'm talking to myself, but it's like I was too weak to be someone else. You could think that I'm a creep when I'm singing all alone, but it's like I couldn't see straight on my own. And when I fall, it starts again. And when I feel like I'm just dead, and when I call, it comes again. And now I see it's in my head. Yeah. There's something that saved me all the time in myself. It appears when I am breaking down, like a whisper in my head, come from out of nowhere. Like a whisper in my head, when I've got something to share. When I'm unable to speak, it's coming from somebody else. Now you know it is just stronger than myself. That's the way I have to live, not to fall down every night. In the end I'm not alone, and that's my light. And when I fall, it starts again. And when I feel like I'm just dead, and when I call, it comes again. And now I see it's in my head. Yeah. There's something that saved me all the time in myself. think that I'm a freak when I'm talking to myself, but it's like I was too weak to be someone else. You could think that I'm a creep when I'm singing all alone, but it's like I couldn't see straight on my own. Hey, yeah. There's something that saved me all the time in my stay. Yeah. It appears when I am breaking down, whisper in my head, coming from out of nowhere. A whisper in my head when I've got something to share. No matter who